Have you ever stood at a foreign ATM, staring at the screen and wondering exactly how much your bank is about to skin you in hidden fees? I've spent the last few years living out of a suitcase, and the biggest headache isn't the jet lag, it's the financial friction of crossing borders. I started using Monzo specifically for travel, and it has genuinely changed how I manage my money on the road. If you're looking to streamline your next trip, here are the features I actually use every time I land in a new country. 1. The real exchange rate, no markup. The absolute best part about using the card abroad is the lack of foreign transaction fees. Most traditional banks take the MasterCard or Visa rate and then slap a 3% convenience fee on top. Monzo doesn't do that. They pass the MasterCard wholesale rate directly to you. Whether I'm buying a coffee in Tokyo or paying for a train in Berlin, I know I'm getting the same rate the banks give each other, with zero markup from Monzo's side. 2. Flexible cash withdrawals. While the world is going cashless, there are still plenty of places, like street markets in Southeast Asia, where you need physical currency. In the EEA, if Monzo is your main bank, you get unlimited fee-free withdrawals. Outside the EEA, you get a fee-free allowance every 30 days, usually £200 on the free tier, but up to £600 on the max or perks plans. I always check my limits section in the app before a big trip so I know exactly when that 3% fee kicks in. It saves me from that accidental fee at the end of a holiday. 3. The travel report and instant notifications. The second I tap my card at a terminal, my phone buzzes with the exact amount spent in both the local currency and GBP. No more waiting 3 days for a transaction to clear to see what it actually cost me. Plus, when you land, Monzo sends a welcome to country notification with the current exchange rate, and when you leave, it compiles a travel report that breaks down exactly what you spent on food, transport, and entertainment during the trip. 4. Shared tabs and bill splitting. If you're traveling with friends, this is a lifesaver. Instead of one person keeping a messy spreadsheet of who bought which round of drinks, I just add the expense to a shared tab. At the end of the trip, you hit one button and it calculates the split and sends payment requests to everyone. It works even if your friends aren't on Monzo, they can just pay via a web link. 5. Virtual cards and security. When I'm booking flights on sketchy Wi-Fi or using a new booking site, I don't use my physical card details. If you have a paid plan, you can create virtual cards. I use one for all my online travel bookings and then freeze or delete it once the trip is over. If those card details ever get leaked in a data breach, my actual bank account remains untouched. 6. Travel essentials with Monzo Max. If you travel more than a few times a year, the Monzo Max plan is worth considering. It includes worldwide travel insurance, provided by Zurich, and phone insurance. I've found that the cost of the monthly subscription is often cheaper than buying standalone annual travel insurance, especially since it covers things like medical emergencies, flight delays, and even winter sports. You also get discounted access to over 1,100 airport lounges, which makes those long layovers significantly more bearable. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.